Are you riding on grass? Come on, try it on. Come on, you can do it. What are you doing? Good job, good job. You can actually do it. Push. Harder. You got stuck. You can ride, you have to pedal harder. Good. You did it. Come on. Yay, you got it. Good job. Take a turn. Whoa! That was awesome.
Daddy, I can take a turn now.
Yeah, she can actually take a turn. Good job. You're riding. Hello. What are you doing? Good job, Nikku. You're actually learning.
I don't know.
You're already pro. Yep. Here. Where are you going? Straight. Go straight. This way. Come on. Oh, no. What are you doing? Why are you following me? Go straight. Good job. Good. I am so proud of you. Come on. Here comes my rider. Who's the super rider? You? You are. Okay, do you want to say bye-bye to everyone?
Bye-bye.
Please do not forget to subscribe Nikku channel and hit the thumbs up and hit the bell icon for more notification. Bye-bye.